Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Hope you are doing well. So today I'm gonna do this makeup look inspired in Zara Larsson, and I created this look to use in Carnival here in Brazil. So I did exaggerated in the blush, yes. So let's go ahead and do this makeup look today. So to start off, I want to use a lightweight moisturizer. So I'm going to apply all over my face, and this is a little bit watery, so it moisturizes really well. I'm going to apply all over and spread it out slowly. I like to do 4 sections my face so my skin absorbs the product really well. I even let it dry a little bit before I go to the next product, and this moisturizer has some FPS on it. That's why I love it. I also like to apply using a brush like this because for me it's easy, but if you like you can go ahead and apply the moisturizer using your hands. Next, I'm gonna apply highlighter, of course. So I'm gonna use Iconic London. I love this one. You can see the reflex on it. Oh my god, I absolutely love how shiny it looks in my skin. And of course, for me, this color is too dark, but I really love the shimmery effect. Not shimmery, but purely. So I'm gonna apply the foundation on top. So you cannot see how dark it is, but the shine, and look what a shine. Now I'm gonna apply a full coverage foundation, and I'm gonna use just a small amount all over, and this is Lock It. I'm gonna apply the foundation using a blush brush for a more natural effect, but at the same time keep the full coverage of the foundation. This color matches exactly with my skin tone, so I don't have to use a lot of product, and you can see the shiny peeking through the foundation. Even if this is a full coverage foundation, how amazing it is. I absolutely love the porcelain effects that it gives me. Next step is to apply a full coverage concealer as well, so I'm gonna use Full Filter by Huda Beauty, and I'm gonna apply a small amount just in a few areas, and I'm gonna blend it out using a fluffy brush. This is a blending brush by Sigma Beauty, and I'm gonna start to blend it like this, and next I take the same brush of the foundation to really diffuse the concealer. So it looks amazing and you don't have to apply a lot of product. Next, I'm gonna bronze my face because I don't want to apply too much contour. So today I'm gonna use by Rare Beauty the shade Happy Soul. I absolutely love this product because it's very easy to blend and to apply, and everything looks good, and no more words. This is just perfect. If you still don't know this product, please, you have to try. By the way, I want to tell you a secret. I have a dupe for this product that's basically the same thing, and I'm gonna show you in the next video, so stay tuned and subscribe to my channel so you won't lose any of the news in my channel. Right, so I'm gonna use the same foundation brush to blend the bronzer. This is a blush brush, but I really love to blend all the products using this brush because it's a little bit firm and it's a little bit soft, so my skin looks amazing. I just blend everything and I can keep the product exactly where I want it to be. Now I'm gonna mix a few shades of eyeshadow base by P.Louise to create my blush shade, and I'm gonna use this color basically everywhere in my face. But of course, to get a very good blended effect, I'm gonna start slowly applying the product and diffusing really well. And I'm gonna use a smaller blush brush, and this is a rounded brush as you guys can see here. So I'm gonna apply it slowly in the areas that I want it to be. I started using the darker shade first so I can focus where to apply the product and make it a little bit stronger, and then the lightest shade I'm gonna use it later to create the more diffused effect. So I created one color mixing all of them together, and next I just separate a little bit to mix with the white eyeshadow base. That's how I created my other shade, just to mix up everything. Now I'm gonna use one of the biggest palettes in my collection, and how amazing it is. This is Thanks by P.Louise. So I'm gonna apply the orange shade in the other corners of the eyes. Yes, I did apply a little bit of the eyeshadow base in the eyes as well, to create kind of the same thing but in different transitions of colors. Next, I'm gonna take the blush brush again, and I'm gonna apply the same shade to set the cream eyeshadow base that I used as blush. For this step, if you don't want too much color as I did here, you can just go ahead and apply your favorite translucent powder. But of course, you have to set the eyeshadow base or cream product so your makeup will last longer. Next, I'm gonna take the lightest shade and a smaller brush. This is a lip brush, by the way, to create the kukri shape. So I'm gonna take my time creating the kukri shape, and next I'm gonna apply the lightest shades here to set the eyeshadow base as well. And in the tear duct area, I'm gonna use the lightest champagne shimmery eyeshadow. And in this eyeshadow, I noticed there's some glitter in it, and the effect is stunning, guys. That's why I want to apply as my highlighter as well, because here everything is exaggerated. And now I decided that I want to apply a shimmery blush on top of everything, but especially in my cheekbones. Yes, because it still is not enough. So I'm gonna apply Tiger Lily by Sigma Beauty using the same brush. It helps me to diffuse the color even more. As you guys can see here, it looks stunning in person. So I decided to apply the rhinestones as the inspiration. You cannot see in the video, but I spent a lot of time to stick all of them in my face, but the end result is amazing. So I applied the fake lashes as well and mascara to stick the fake lashes in the natural ones. And now I'm gonna do the lips with you guys, and I decided to use a technique, viral technique that everybody's using, with a dark brown lip liner and a matte kind of neutral lipstick on top. I decided to use a type of coral to match the look, and a pinkish lip gloss. I choose these colors because I want to match the whole look, but you can use the colors that you love. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like this video, and I see you in the next one. Mwah!